This practice, rain, is a practice that is used for working with difficult or intense emotions. So you can do this in a formal seated practice, sort of slowed down like we're going to do here together. Or once you have the formula for rain down, you can use this in your everyday life, just on the spot when you encounter difficulty. So this practice was developed by Michelle McDonald, and it has been popularized in part by Tara Brach, who uses this practice a lot, so you may have heard of it. I'm going to invite you now to begin by finding your meditation posture. Find your comfortable, upright, alert position, and close your eyes if you wish, or just lower your gaze, or maybe focus your gaze on something pleasant. And we'll take a few breaths here. So breathing in and out. In and out. So let's check in with ourselves, and we'll do the first part of rain, R, which is recognize. What are you feeling right now? So let's try to put a label on your emotion and see if you can get as close to naming your emotion, as closely accurate as you can get it. So are you feeling shame, disgust, sad, anger, frustration? What's going on for you right now? Just the emotion, just labeling it. Engaging our prefrontal cortex, putting a label on it, or naming it to tame it, as Dan Siegel would say. And then let's do the A. We're going to allow this emotion to be here. And just accept that this is how you're feeling right now. And you can accept it knowing that you're not going to feel this way forever. Emotions are impermanent. And the full range of human experience includes a full range of human emotion. So we're just allowing and accepting it to be here within us. And then we'll move into the I, investigate. So that means, where do you feel this emotion in your body? So emotions are energy in motion. They carry physical sensations within our bodies. They're shifts in integration. So see if you can bring your attention, if there's not a place that stands out to you immediately, check your belly for sensations there. Maybe your chest, your throat, your jaw. Maybe your face. So just notice what physical sensations come with this energy in motion. And just notice what that feels like. Maybe notice if those physical sensations are changing at all. Maybe you felt it in one place to begin with, and then it moved to another spot in your body. Notice if it feels like it's growing or shrinking. You can sense any softness around the edges of this physical sensation. Maybe even notice if it has a color. So we're just noticing. And then when you're ready, we'll bring in the N of rain, the last part, which is nurture. So if it makes sense to you, you could put a hand over that part of your body that is feeling some intensity right now, a kind hand. And you can offer yourself some kindness here. Maybe see if you can breathe into that space. Just really gently and kindly into that space where you feel that physical sensation. And see if you can hold maybe some of that pain or intensity with some kindness and some gentle breathing into that space. And then maybe you want to close with some loving kindness towards yourself. So you might silently or even out loud say to yourself, "May I be peaceful. May I be happy and healthy. May I be safe and protected. May I be free. May I be at ease." So let's take a couple more breaths here together, breathing in and out. And in and out. And then maybe close with some final appreciation for doing this practice and taking care of your feelings. And know that you can return to this practice anytime you need to. Repeat this as many times as needed.